Come on, you little rat bag.
Dangle it under the chair again.
He's not under the chair.
Over the chair.
Where is he?
Was he dead yet?
No, he's right there. He's not under the meat safe. Come on, you little dangler.
The cat is charged up.
There it is. Yeah, fix your toy now, young man.
The cat is charged up.
Sniffing it.
Maybe it's full of catnip.
Oh, you would have gone nuts for earlier.
Maybe it's full of secret.
And stuff it full of.
You could get catnip bubbles. What you doing, Ben? Is that your birdie?
Man, it's stuck to his paw.
Oh my god. He dies and lies in
this.
Yeah. He just run up on him. He didn't run on.
I think that's his prey. I think he's trying to
Did he run up him? He didn't got it or what?
Nope, he's still got it in his mouth.
Oh my god, don't go up the whole way.
Don't let him need the decorations. I'm not going to try and get it out of his mouth.
Oh god.
He looks too happy with it. Well, we can't get it out of his mouth.
Oh, he's dropped it.
He's dropped it.
Molly, take it off him and hang it on the tree.
Thomas has got it.
Right,
I'm not paying $10 to $15 for that for him to wreck.